What's going on, everyone? Wanted to give you a quick update as far as the Treasury operating cash balance. Last year we saw it dwindling down towards the end of the year. It almost got to zero. Now to start the year off in 2022, we opened this month with $213 billion. And we're currently sitting at about double that at $406 billion. This is as of the 31st of December. So again, Treasury balance skyrocketing. So again, all that narrative that was going around at the end of the year last year, don't think anything's going to come of it, especially involving Evergrande, because again, it was all planned from this time last year. It's a big credit re-rating opportunity. That's all it is. And they're taking advantage of it to increase sustainability and things like that. But anyways, the Treasury general account is back up and running. Crime Central, $406.108 billion. Significant difference from what we were seeing in a situation last year. So anyways, that's the update for you. 406 billion up from 284. Have a good one.